Keep my red on if you'd like.
Get locked.
Good view of Chris Cassidy from the helmet camera of Tom Marshburn as they begin the process of taking a number of photos of the integrated electronics assembly at the P6 truss. This is right in the neighborhood where the pump and flow control system box is located and the suspected site of the ammonia leak.
And Chris, while you're taking nice, beautiful photos in the dark there, any more reportage would be appreciated.
It looks like a nominal IEA.
I agree.
I mean, there is. Now, what I do see, look up on the DCSU, Tom, right above the PFCS. See that brown smoke?
Looks like a coffee stain.
That could be a stain from something.